So, this is what happened in second week of CHD. But wait. There's more.
I still got joy in chaos. I've got peace that makes no sense.
My heart was less stable than the breeze.
I'm not held by my own strength. Cause I've built my life on
Thought we were not gonna get distracted. We were very wrong.
down. It's faithful through every season.
Finally reached the top.
Even now, you are.
Guys making the largest lump of poop. And day one ends with the largest lump of poop created by mankind. हामीले नुवाकोटको वार्ड नम्बर 1 मा समेत एउटा राम्रो कन्भिनियन्ट जिम भेटाएका छौं मात्र 500 रुपैयाँ एक महिनाको हेर्नु प्रिचर कल हान्दै हुन्छ दाइले कम अन मोर पुश दाइ हुन त मलाई पनि एक्सरसाइज गर्नुपर्ने हो तर म ब्लग बनाउँदै बसेछु
Meanwhile,
काम चोरहरू जिममा नगएर बच्चाको जिममा आएर एक्सरसाइज गर्छ त्यो पनि गलत तरिकाले
Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. We'd hurt each other with the things we want to say. We could have been so good together. We could have lived this dance forever.
Yeah, so that's how I got greeted by my friend in New Year.
Now the dicks are gonna capture a cock.
There's the cock.
Alan photo
Hey bro. दाउरा खोजेर ल्याउनु भनेको सबभन्दा ठुलो दाउरा उठाएर ल्याएछ आफ्नो घरबाट रुख काटेर ल्याएछ केटोले यही स्किलहरु चाहिन्छ हामीलाई डाइसेक्सन हलमा पनि बुचरिङ स्किल लसुन प्याज लसुन छैन लसुन छ नि लसुनको कहानी सुन्ने हो 220 मा भने थियो यहाँ डिस्काउन्ट कसैले दिदैन तर मैले कसरी नि झगडा गरेर 20 रुपैयाँ डिस्काउन्ट
झगडा गरे हैन उसले आफ्नो स्किल
मेरो स्किल निकालेर बार्गेन गरेर ल्याए
खुट्टा ढोग्या उले
कुराहरू काटेर समापन भएको छ गोलभेडाहरू काट्यौं त्यसपश्चात प्याजहरू काट्यौं अदुवा र लसुन जति छ त्यो सबै ग्राइन्डरमा ग्राइन्ड गर्ने हो मासुहरू केटाहरूले धोएर ल्याए ओ शिट दी ओन्ली रेस्पोन्सिबल वुमेन इन द टिम ए अनुराग We didn't have clips of us putting meat in our mouth, but trust me, those were some of the best meat we ever had.
Tell me what you want, Johnny.
अहिले हामी कहाँ छ gas station. We are at the gas station. Here's the gas station. Okay, this is the gas station, and then there's Oyo right here. So if you ever arrive at Nuwakot ward number 1 wondering whether or not you can book a room for yourself, here's the answer: you can book one. Okay, so we are here at the site of the platform, but we don't know exactly what the fuck are we supposed to do. कसलाई चेतावनी दिएको यार कसलाई बोलाउन खोजेको उताबाट ए अनुरागहरू होला राइट दिइरहेछ वेट Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Wait. Yeah, I don't. Oh, you can see right there. Right. Oh, wait. Right there. There. That's our guy. Okay, just had a police encounter. We were asked whether or not we were carrying drugs, you know. But at least they let us go. किनभने हामीले भन्यौँ कि न्यू इयरको दिन हामी खानाको खोजीमा थियौँ तर यो एडभाइस
अर्कै खाना बुझ्यो क्या
ओके
That's why they are very suspicious.
मिस्टुक फर समथिङ एल्स तर जे होस् यति चाहिँ एडभाइस गरेँ कि गेट ब्याक टु यर रुम्स इट्स नट सेफ राइट नाउ बट द ओन्ली अनसेफ थिङ्स आई सी अराउन्ड मी आर डग्स बार्किङ डग्स त्यो बाहेक त अन्य कोही मान्छे नै हेर्दिनँ.
So that's the end of second week. We hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, you know what to do.